Playing your last card, a guide to a critical English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing phrase, play one's last card. This expression is not only vivid but packed with meaning and usage in various contexts. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can significantly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started and unfold the layers of this expression together. Play one's last card is an idiomatic expression derived from card games, where players save their most significant or final card for a critical moment. In real-life situations, it refers to using one's final resource or taking the last possible action in an attempt to achieve success after all other options have been exhausted. It's a move filled with hope, desperation, or strategic calculation, depending on the context. The phrase has its roots in card-playing scenarios, where strategy plays a pivotal role in winning. By relating this concept to everyday situations, we can see its application in arguments, negotiations, business decisions, and even personal relationships. For instance, if someone is trying to persuade another person and they use their most compelling argument as their last resort, they are essentially playing their last card. To fully grasp the usage of play one's last card, let's look at some examples. In a negotiation, knowing they were about to walk away, she played her last card, offering a discount that she had hoped to avoid. In personal relationships, after hours of arguing, he played his last card by promising to seek counseling if she would give the relationship another chance. In business, the company was on the brink of failure, so the CEO decided to play his last card and merge with a competitor. Understanding the context in which play one's last card is used is crucial. It can express a range of emotions and intentions, from desperation to strategic cunning. When you come across this phrase or decide to use it, think about the situation, tone, and implications it carries within the conversation. That's a wrap on today's lesson about the phrase, play one's last card. We hope this exploration has added a new and interesting expression to your English repertoire. Remember, language is a beautiful and intricate tapestry of words and phrases, each with its own story and color. Keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, everyone!